Drafts around your entry door can make your home feel uncomfortable, especially during colder months or seasonal transitions. You might notice cool air creeping in near the floor, uneven temperatures in nearby rooms, or a constant need to adjust your thermostat. While upgrading to a new door is important, the quality of installation plays an even bigger role in preventing drafts. For homeowners in Loves Park, professionally installed entry doors are key to maintaining comfort and reducing unwanted airflow. Why drafts happen around entry doors? Drafts usually occur when gaps form between the door frame and the surrounding wall, or when the door itself does not seal tightly. In many Loves Park houses, older doors may have shifted over time, weather stripping may have worn down, or the frame may no longer align properly. Even small openings can allow outside air to enter and indoor air to escape. The importance of a proper fitted door that is even slightly misaligned can create noticeable air leaks. Professional installers ensure the entry door fits precisely within the existing opening. In Loves Park homes, this precise fit eliminates uneven gaps that commonly cause drafts. Correct frame preparation. Before installing a new door, the frame must be properly prepared. If the frame is not level and square, the door may not close evenly. Professional installers in Loves Park carefully assess and adjust the frame to ensure the new entry door sits flush. This foundational step is critical for draft prevention. High-quality sealing techniques. One of the biggest differences between professional and improper installation is how sealing materials are applied. Professionally installed entry doors in Loves Park homes include proper insulation and sealing around the frame. This prevents outside air from slipping through hidden spaces around the door. Effective weather stripping installation. Weather stripping plays a vital role in blocking drafts. However, it must be installed correctly to be effective. Professional installers ensure weather stripping fits tightly along the edges of the door without interfering with smooth operation. For Loves Park homeowners, this results in a secure seal every time the door closes. Secure threshold alignment. The bottom of the door is another common area for air leaks. Professionally installed entry doors in Loves Park houses include carefully aligned thresholds that prevent air from entering underneath. Proper adjustment ensures the door seals firmly along the entire perimeter. Long-term stability and performance. Proper installation can cause a door to shift over time, reintroducing drafts even after a new door has been installed. Professional installation provides stability and structural support. Loves Park homeowners benefit from doors that maintain their alignment and sealing performance for years. Improved indoor comfort. Reducing drafts leads to more consistent indoor temperatures. Rooms near the entryway feel warmer in winter and more comfortable year-round. For Loves Park residents, professionally installed entry doors help eliminate cold spots and reduce the need for constant thermostat adjustments. Supporting energy efficiency. When drafts are minimized, indoor systems do not have to work as hard to maintain comfort. Professionally installed entry doors help Loves Park homeowners reduce energy loss, contributing to more efficient operation and greater overall comfort. Peace of mind with professional installation. Choosing professional installation means knowing the job is done correctly from the start. For homeowners in Loves Park, professionally installed entry doors reduce drafts by ensuring precise alignment, proper sealing, and long-term stability. The result is a more comfortable home, fewer temperature fluctuations, and the confidence that your entry door is performing exactly as it should, keeping outside air where it belongs and indoor comfort protected.